How deep were you?
62, but it's not big.
Oh.
Whatever it is, it was not big. And it might not even be on anymore. No, mine might be gone. Yeah, whatever it wasn't very big in the stuff.
Might have something small.
We still moving? Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh, big rockfish.
Oh, nice one. That's a good deal. Little small, but
Oh, fuck! You can pull my rod out of my hand. Oh,
I'll get him.
I wasn't ready for that. Here we go.
Got him? Ling hang. It came from inside this cabinet over here. I'll just let it sit there for a second. Is it going to be a gaffer?
I don't know.
Well, I don't know how. You can tell.
Oh, it's pulling.
Where?
Yeah, get a gaff.
Yeah.
There's a big fish.
Where's my gaff?
Right here. You passed it already. It's right there.
Oh, right here.
Oh, fuck.
That's good.
Here it comes.
Yep, bing. Oh, keep him in the water. Oh, why not? Just as I got him, he popped loose. Nice little linger. Nice one.
Oh, yeah.
Good for you. That's a nice size linger. Hey, bud. Ah, you're not catching fish. Oh, is that the ling cod that stinks like that, or something stinks in your cooler, man? Whew. Maybe it's the ling cod.
Come on already. Didn't even hit bottom.
That one's pulling a little better.
Didn't even hit bottom.
Ling again or no?
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Okay. Oh, that's a good ling. I'm just going to get the gaff right beside you there.
I'll try to.
Yeah, keep it in the water.
But I couldn't see. I backed up too
That's
far.
fine. That's fine. Yep. Ling. Perfect size, bud. You're right on him. Well, these guys are voracious. They'll tackle any friggin' thing, eh?
That's the ling that smells.
Just putrid smell. Almost wanted to puke.
That's ling. Are you to gaff something finally?
If it is, it's not huge, but today it might be a keeper.
Actually.
Not terrible, but it's not huge.
Terrible, but
Today it's a keeper. We're not seeing a whole pile, are we?
what?
You just wanted to wake him up. Oh, fish! Fish!
It's a big one. Right up on the surface.
Okay.
Can you get the boat in neutral, Bob?
Oh, okay.
He's right over here.
Is he already in?
He's getting close to this side.
Okay.
I'm going to spin my downrigger out of the way.
Right back, right?
Hey, he's here.
No, I'm not touching that.
You're not touching what? I said you got to watch out. He's right here.
Okay, I'm coming.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
I'll take on the bottom side of you. Nice fish.
Fucking come right at me now.
Okay, I'll stay on the bottom side.
Yeah.
Want me to turn the boat or?
Ready?
Got him. There's one on yours. That one hit hard too. He wasn't supposed to.
Here. Here, Bob.
No,
I've already got one.
that's fine. You're gonna get two with it because I gotta get this in.
So you have to move my
Okay.
downrigger out of the way.
Yep.
You might want to put it in neutral. This is bigger than the last one.
That's fine.
He came right out of the water.
Good.
Oh,
That's good. That's got he's hanging down
so
deep.
deep. He came right up and jumped and then went straight down.
Good.
I still don't even see my swivel.
No, not yet. I'll tell you when I see it.
He was probably right to the bottom.
Got to be getting close.
He's under the boat now. Going around. There he is.
Okay, but he's down too deep, Scott.
Yeah, I'm going to swing him up and around.
Got him. Well done.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yep, just a second, I get the rivets. Well done, buddy. What a day.
Oh,
What a day. One more pass, he said. You gotta do one more pass.
I wasn't going home until I made that pass.
Good.
I had it.
You're checking.
What's that?
What were you checking?
Just seeing how deep we are.